Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I really appreciate you guys for being here. Today we are talking about a product that has saved my hair. My hair has been through a lot of bleaching, a lot of dyeing, a lot of chemical damage here, a couple toning sessions, but this product has absolutely saved my hair every single time. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So first things first, I have my wrap root on with my clips and my water bottle. That will all be linked down below in my Amazon store below. But for the product for today, we are using the Curlsmith Bond Curl Rehab Salve. Now I'm pronouncing it salve. I don't know what it is, and feel free to let me know what it is. I have no idea. But this treatment is very similar to Olaplex. I haven't done a video on Olaplex on my channel yet, but I have used Olaplex in the past. It's a bonding treatment for weak, damaged hair, resilience, protection, bond stability. So this isn't like a deep conditioner. I'm gonna start parting my hair as I talk. It's not a deep conditioner, it is a bond builder. So your hair has these bonds, right? It has bonds in your hair. And once those bonds begin to break, like through heat damage, chemical damage, you know, dyeing your hair or whatever, that's when those bonds start to break. So if your hair is damaged, something like this will really help your hair. When my hair was really down bad, before this product was even here, I was using the Olaplex. Now since then I've been using this one for a month now. I don't think I'll be returning back to Olaplex. I prefer Curlsmith. I'm just gonna make sure my hair is damp. Now this is like a pre-poo treatment. You want to do this before you shampoo, before you wash your hair. I know some people don't like applying products to their hair when they already have like old leave-in and all that in there. Girl, if you want to wash your hair and do that, baby, who am I to tell you differently? My hair currently has something in it because I washed it a couple days ago and I haven't put anything in it yet. So but typically I usually just put this in my hair before I shampoo and condition. The product itself is 8 fluid ounces and it retails for $29. I think it's absolutely amazing. The Olaplex might be $28, but it might have like 3 fluid ounces or less. Like, it's the price, the amount you get for the price is amazing compared to Olaplex. I honestly think there is no comparison other than they just both happen to be a bond builder. And I prefer shopping, I'm trying to open this. I prefer shopping with Curlsmith because they're a brand for girls. And I trust them very much so. And the smell, this smells amazing. It smells just like the strength line is the exact, it's in the strength line of course, but it has the same exact smell. So if you don't like the smell, I'm sorry, but I love the smell. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in. It's just white, creamy in texture. It almost just looks like your everyday conditioner. And baby, you just apply. It has great slip. Not that that's really what it claims to do, but I do want to show you guys some before and afters. So I'll probably insert, let me scoot over here. I will insert some pictures right here. Because really my curl pattern since I've started using this product has changed dramatically. It's really enhanced my curls. My hair is color treated and bleached. So honestly, I need all the extra TLC, the treatment that I can get. So yeah, girl, I think you should use it. Even if your hair is not damaged, I think even as like a monthly treatment would be good. And it says on the bottle like it has stuff for low porosity and high porosity. So if you're high porosity, you might want to leave it in there a little bit longer. You can leave it up into an hour. But if you have low porosity, you can leave it in as little as 15 minutes. Y'all, the smell is amazing. Oh, it's stuck in my hair. If you're planning on dyeing your hair soon, it's a good way to kind of prepare your hair for color, is to use a bond builder. And afterwards especially, it is very important to use a bond builder. Now after this, you do want to make sure that you're going back through with like your shampoo, your conditioner, and some sort of deep treatment, maybe even like a light kind of moisture day, this is a good day. I'd probably use like the Not Your Mother's, that Curl Talk mask, or either one of the Curlsmith masks. I actually love both of them a lot. But can we talk about the growth? Like, my blonde is literally, it's kind of leaving the building. It doesn't look like it when my hair is dry, but when my hair is wet, you can see like all of that is black. Like, wow, she's growing. So I'm just gonna do this process to the top of my hair and I'll be right back. I did just want to mention though that I am twisting my hair once I'm finished with the section, not only so I don't dip back in, it's less tangles, less hassle, but that's also gonna help you regain some of that curl pattern back, especially if your curls are damaged. So make sure you twist your curls, especially, I mean, not especially, but even when you're doing your deep conditioning in the shower, even if it's for like 5-10 minutes, make sure you are twisting your hair and letting it soak in sections. So I am back. I have 4 twists on each side. Some of these are unraveling. But the application process went smoothly. It smells so good, which makes the application process even better. I'm just gonna put this plastic up my head. I got these from Amazon. You can get them from Walmart. They're in my Amazon store though if you need some, girl. So I'm gonna put this on my head. I'm gonna leave it on for about an hour. What time is it right now? I don't know, but I'm gonna put it in for about an hour and then I'll be right back when it is all washed out. I just finished washing my hair and this is how my curls are looking. I'm going to style my hair so you guys can see how it looks, because you guys said you like when you see my hair fully styled afterwards. So I'm going to style my hair and show you how it looks. But look at the definition already. Like, if you've been watching me for a while, and even you can go back and look, like my curls when they were wet had no texture. Like, you'd probably think my hair might have been wavy or straight even. Like, my hair was that damaged. Like, it had no curl to it. So within recent months, she's getting, like, you can tell when it's wet that I have some sort of texture. And that's progress, and I would love to see it. And this is my hair dried. Today I used some Pattern Beauty products. I don't know if the video will be out before or after this video, but that's what I use in my hair. You guys will be seeing it soon if you haven't seen it already. But for the Curlsmith Bond Salve, I love this product. It's definitely a staple in my collection. If I could only pick 5 products, this would be one of them for sure. I used to not be able to style my hair without a brush, and my hair, I did not use a brush. Well, I used it like a little bit just to make sure that the product was evenly distributed, but I went through with a wide tooth comb after it to kind of brush out those curls. But look at my hair, and it's not like a one-time thing. It's not like you use it and then it's gonna work right away. You have to use it again and again and again. It's gonna happen over time. But if you have damaged hair, and I still, like, okay, yes, you're looking at my hair and you're like, oh my gosh, looks amazing, and what you do, maybe you do, you know, don't get it twisted. But I do still have some damage. I do still require a lot of attention to my hair, a lot of deep conditioning, a lot of moisture, a lot of protein. But with the help of my Bond Salve, I absolutely love it. I don't know how else to tell you guys, like, I absolutely love this product. It has helped the health of my hair. And if I had to pick Olaplex or this, I'm definitely picking this. It smells amazing. It's more bang for your buck. When's, like, what? I don't say that. I don't talk like that. That was weird. But you get more product for, I mean, it's $1 more, but, like, you know what I'm saying? Bang for your buck, okay? Okay. We're not gonna talk about me saying that ever again. I don't think that my hair would be as healthy as it is without this treatment. So I absolutely love it, but do not forget after you use it to go in with something very hydrating. You don't want your hair to, you don't want to just use this as a deep conditioner, because it is not. It is a bond builder. I just want to make sure that you guys understand that. So keep deep conditioning. But thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you guys next time. Toodles.
Mr. Magic Molly Mall. I let my tape rock till my tape pop.